Hello, in this lesson I want you to use a recursive formula to list the terms in a sequence, and I want you to write recursive formulas for arithmetic and geometric sequences. The vocabulary where you're going to come across is recursive formula. A recursive formula, as you can see from your study guide, is just where we're going to state the next term in terms of the previous term. So we're going to take the previous term, we're going to do something to it to get our next term. When you're doing an arithmetic sequence, you're going to be adding the same thing. When you're doing a geometric sequence, you're going to be multiplying by the same thing. Here is an example of a recursive formula for an arithmetic sequence. We take the previous term, we add 2, provided that n is greater than or equal to 2, because you can't start it unless you're on the second term. So take a look at example 1 here. I want you to find the first 5 terms of this sequence in which we know a sub 1 is negative 8, and we know the recursive formula is negative 2 times the previous term plus 5, provided n is greater than or equal to 2. So we're multiplying and adding on this one. So let's make a table here. Here I'm going to put n, and here I'm going to put a sub n. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. My first term is negative 8. My second term, I'm going to take negative 8. I'm going to multiply it by negative 2, which would be 16. We're going to add 5, that'll be 21. Then we're going to take 21. We're going to multiply that by negative 2, that would be negative 42, plus 5 will give us negative 37. And then our next term, we're going to take negative 37. We're going to multiply that by negative 2 and add 5. Well, negative 37 times negative 2 would be positive 74. 74 plus 5 would be 79. And finally, we're going to take 79 times negative 2. That would be 158. Negative 158 plus 5 would be negative 153. And there is your recursive terms, or the first 5 terms of a recursive formula.